In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Blackbox AI image to code in VS Code. So first of all, make sure the Blackbox AI is already installed with your Visual Studio Code. Now, in order to use the image to code in here, so first we have two options. So for the first options, we're going to manually prompt the Blackbox AI to generate a photo. So simply like type for input a some. So make sure it's a detailed prompt so that the AI can understand it well. So input the e-commerce related image into a website and make the website something more like website functionable, and wait for it to load up. So it will automatically generate some codes in here. As you can see, there is an image attached it from the website. So in order to see that, we'll just need to run the code and check if the Blackbox AI really understand my prompt. So as you can see in here, we have a image connected or uploaded in our website. So yeah, that's it. So for the second option, so if you found or if you have a inspired design or project you want to apply to your current project, so you'll just need to upload it to Blackbox AI, and then Blackbox AI will automatically generate a code for you. And yeah, that's it. That's how you use Blackbox AI image to code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.